So with this, now we'll move on to the lightning presentations from the speakers. And in this part, each of our speakers will have up to 5 minutes to share insights, highlighting key challenges and innovative solutions from their work across the region. To begin, I would like to invite our first presenter, Professor Gao Jian from the Chinese Research Academy of Environmental Sciences, who will share China's experience in air quality management and the Clean Air Bangkok use case to join me on stage. Professor Gao Jian is a professor and deputy director of the Institute of Atmospheric Environment at CRAES and co-director of ACC-AQSM, holding a PhD in environmental engineering and advising China's Ministry of Ecology and Environment on major air quality management and transboundary pollution issues. Please welcome Professor Gao.
Thank you. Thank you for your introduction. It's a very good opportunity to be here to share you the experience in China. And also we just launched a project cooperate with the BMA with Thailand. Yeah, so this is you can see this chart published last year, but in 10 years before, the red area located in North China. 10 years before, there is the most polluted area in the world. So we are facing the similar challenges in Thailand. The pollution of the PM2.5, China happened in the year of 2000. It's just the year we joined the WTO. It's also the beginning of the industrialization of this country. So you can see from the year of 2013, we used 10 years to improve the air quality. This is the red one. So this is the so-called the cost of the development. And from the year of 2012, we published a new version of the air quality standards. The PM2.5 was getting involved, and a lot of measures, the standards, the laws has been published in the past 10 years. But as I know, the most important one is the response for the heavy pollution episode, especially in North China, especially in the winter. And the second one is the so-called one city, one policy, because all the cities are different. Yeah. So my team established observation network in North China, and with the help of these instruments, we can do the source parchment in 1 hour resolution, and also help the central government to make the forecasting and emergency response system. And with the help of the city efforts and the regional actions, you can see the decrease of the PM2.5 in North China in the past 10 years, PM2.5 by more than 60%, but the GDP keep increasing. So that's why we cooperate with the BMA to introduce this mode to Thailand. And when we meet Mr. Chacha last year, and we proposed this sandbox in last year. And we are seeking the path from the facts of in light of the Bangkok conditions. Bangkok has its own conditions. It's different, totally different with China. And we opened our project in this year, in June. So there is a war room in the BMA, and when there is a heavy pollution episode happened in the pollution season, the mayor and the doctors will use this war room to have the emergency response. So our job is to helping them, to give them the technical support. So, and the umbrella of this research program, PM2.5 source parchment and the super station will be established here. This will give the average data of the chemical components. So when there is a heavy pollution episode happened, so we can do the real-time source parchment. And also we will use the forecasting system to forecast the occurrence of the heavy pollution episode. And also the satellite data will make full use of the monitoring the hot points. With the leading of the BMA, the team, including the experts, the operational team to maintain the instruments and superstation. And also there's a source group to help to fund the industry and other sources. And all this information will help to do the policy making for the emergency response. So in the past half years, when there is a launch and we have a training program, there is 18 delegation visit Beijing, visit CRAES, stay there for more than 1 week. And next 2 days, we will have a joint conference, and we will be ready for the War Room in the end of this year. So this is a general introduction of the Bangkok Joint Research Program, and we hope that our experience can help Thailand find its own way to fight against the air pollution, especially in winter in this season. This is the beginning of the pollution season of Thailand. Okay, thank you all.